Walk, you know. I come and save my lunch money. Bala. Blue sock. Come here, you know.
Taxi.
Yeah, man.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you mean? Say boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, always play football.
That's soccer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I go on.
Yeah, we can.
We say always play football.
Yeah, man.
That's first thing I see.
Yeah, I always see a man, but I'm back on girls, you know. Can't get the chance to talk.
Please yourself, man. Now you get the chance, man. You know, man. You just live on you. That's a quick life of 2
513. 513.
Hold on, put in your record.
Put in your number now?
Hold on, put in your record. 13.
58.
Yeah.
16.
16. Yeah, man, you see me? Now, dog, I see them 2 girls come give you a link in idea, you see me? You don't know I'm going to 2 of them are going.
You know, say, all I see you get to the man. If I go and
Yeah, and now them something there. Yeah, one of the friends. You don't talk like him. Okay. Like with nobody. You not touch your man, but nobody. Knock, knock. Hello. Neil. Yeah, go in there. Hello. Hi.
Shaisha, you're there again.
Yeah, here. Oh, I'm one of the one.
Yeah, chill, I want to do this again.
Just a go all and vibe see you here.
See if I know. You can go on. We're shy now, but I'm not going to make him touch it. Yeah, because I like when people touch. You hear that, boss? I know why you touch her, alright?
So I want to leave.
Malaya.
I don't know. I don't know.
There, no.
That's crazy. Everything. Yeah, you
Get fat.
Fish. Fish eyes. Yeah, fish eyes. Yeah. Fish eyes.
Thank you. I just get a chance to come because I'm away from my friend.
You know what, sit down.
Yeah. Sit down, man.
So what happened, man? I could sit down yourself. Just like, where they you look like somebody who smell moldy.
She afraid.
Your friend there was afraid.
She afraid of man. She not used to it. I want to use the bathroom. Come follow me to the bathroom. May I come over here after again? Fresh already, you know, just them some smells. I just want to go to the bathroom. Oh, she probably want to. Alright.
My John know that. When I read all the little chat in here moving the dog, every time you're getting a girl from the dog, she ever move shake man. Big man lives in the dog.
Everything all good, man. You hear me? I say, it's one thing to eat this and one that I want to get that money. Yeah, I want not the money.
Yeah, me just so fun. I never really bathroom. No one going to put me a card. I was going to tell you, says you know you want to fuck the boy, no, but you can't fuck him today. I have to fuck him to the girl, and how long I like him. You know what I know? Just get a chance. We had enough. 5 minutes. Just give me friend company for 5 minutes. I'll come back home. Can't bother with you, man. For mother must kill all we when we reach. We not stay long, girl. Alright.
Alright, I lock someone for me, no one. I'm going to get used to this place.
Come on now, girl.
Come on, man. I'm going to change that. I'm still long about me.
So what kind of nasty like that?
She ready. She ready to go home.
Already? It's not even 5 minutes good.
She said I'm going to leave.
What?
Continue.
No, man, you're man, no, man. You're big. You can't give me more. You can't give me more.
Yeah, man, you can't get all out deep here.
I was going to 10 minutes more. More, I said, 10 minutes. Please. Please, tell them what. I'm going to see a football match.
You can't give them privacy, you know, you stay so.
Now, chapter.
5 minutes. Don't
Yeah.
lie. We must say we have to do
Now, still how much good money, really. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, what up, what up,
10 minutes. 10 minutes. We said 10 minutes. Ah, minute.
Mia. Mia.
What? Look at her come and tell me. I look so comfortable shirt to have. Mine was good. The cook. Ready? Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, good. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello, someone talking.
Yeah.
Someone got my work for you.
Alright.
Yeah, chill. Today, about 8 persons to go in for interview. My money, the boss, about shaking with me. You see me, I look at things go down way. You want to talk much about it, but you see me, I look at things go down way, and I'm responsible for it. Wow. The boss crazy. Yeah, you see me? And from see the man they come in, no one say, never do one of the man who explode. You understand? So, what me I do right now, I try to get send out for my application.
Yeah.
So we can have something like that. Because I know, so I don't feel the vibe. I don't know, but I can feel the vibe.
Yeah.
Something happening. You see me? Something like that.
Yeah, everything good. We'll start hearing that one.
No, just left that to God. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we'll pray about it tonight.
Miss you.
I miss you too.
Yeah, I know that. If I'm doing that thing for you, I'm doing that. So, you know, I think about that. I don't know more. Man, I do anything. Maybe just to make a thing. You know
It's
what I
all good, babe.
mean? So, this was some food, let me get some food.
Yeah, man. You ready? Or you want some
I
first?
want to do that. Just go and fish up already.
Fresh up already, man. So what? One for the one at the top or what?
You know, I do know. But you just make it stay in the microwave. Take off what you have and that's all you have to do.
Alright, babe. Hurry up.
Monkey.
I say I chill, me and Bridget them there with a chill.
Chill? I don't want to hear about chill, brother. You're not from morning.
Mama, I'm there at the gym and I tell her to eat. So what kind of disrespecting that you're doing?
You mean what kind of disrespecting you're doing, brother?
Yo, I talk to you this so what?
Even when you're nothing from your friend, him. From morning, I left the yard. Better eat nothing from morning, you know. They come from roadside, come sit down.
No, man, you may say no, man. You may say no, mama see a peer. Mama, second on mama. See a peer and see something. Just buy something and eat. Mama, go buy something and eat.
Which blood club here $100? I don't want that, brother. What you mean, brother?
Come on, Billy.
You get a big man here and bum buckler, bull of youth.
You mean peer and bull
A
of
fool a take man for youth. Youth, a fool a take man for youth.
That's what mama want you.
A fool a take man for youth.
Hey, for a man, I'm
What kind of waste man?
What kind of waste man style, mama? Drop a stone, man. Where are you? Yo, he's yourself a bad man. He's yourself a bad man. Come on. Second on
Man, you don't want to play with
me.
me, man.
Play with that thing, man. Now play with it. Just drop the stone.
Man, you can't take waste man. I'm tired of their life, yeah, brother.
I'm so far.
Brother, I'm tired of their life, yeah, man.
Some more to that, they are doing so.
Waste man thing, brother. I'm not let one them thing, brother.
I'm so far. I'm here, man.
That's how I deal with that ball.
Bad man, all you bad, sit down, kill that brother. That's me, I'm over that talk.
Where? Laugh what? Laugh. So we are. Where professor?
You see man and the woman. You see man and the woman. I jump in a man and the woman argument. The man to do you something for show, man. Bark them now. Bark them now. Bark them, man. Bark them. Bark them now. Bark them. Bark the man and the bad man. Bark the man and the dog. Yo, dog, yeah. Bark them, man. Bark them. You just said, man. You forget for show, man. You forget for show, man. Man and the woman are reason you come in a man and bump up like go on, man. You see man and the woman you come in a man bump up like that. Go on, man. Bump up like. The boy think you see you. You want pussy one. The boy think you see you. That's when you're a man round there. You bump up like that here, man. No man can come in here. Only bump up like there, TK. Be yourself, and I want to hear you. Bump up like there, yo, chef, be yourself. Yo, don't come in here, man. Bump up like that. Anything you get to be taking of you. Avoid the thing, man. You can't avoid the problem, man. Just avoid the problem, you. Avoid the problem. You can't tell you. They hear me, I tell you. Avoid the problem. You don't have something for you. Yo, you don't have something for you. Yo, you don't have something for you. Yo, you don't have something for you. Be yourself. You don't have something for you.
Alright, thanks. What you mean? You lose your work. What you mean? Listen, I'm not going. Because it is about 2 months now you lose your job.
So I understand. So it's a good thing you are trying to do.
We are trying not good enough, brother. We are trying not good enough. That's the exact reason why I'm talking because I'm
no, I don't have a car. I don't want to do that.
So we want.
Where we
ungrateful with what?
all the things I want. I mean, I'm a job and everything I want. You never find. So yeah, pressure.
Because the blood clot means them are back home. Everything about
Everything's
let's move on for the fucking house. Come on, let's move on for the house.
Yo, you just want to watch your talk to you.
Everything. Talk to you anyway we want to talk to you.
No, watch your talk. Me, but tell me that's true. I want to understand yourself. Hear that? That one, I want you want. Yo. Chuck. Yo, what you doing, bro? Hear that?
Come on, close.
Yo, look where we look.
So I say you're going to treat your baby mother?
I mean, baby mother, what you talking about?
2 months pregnant.
Are you 2 months pregnant?
Yes.
And you just tell me that?
Yeah.
No, see how them things are pressure to have pressure for pressure to put for policy. No, see how them things are. No, come on, you need to move. Should have put for policy.
Back up, I'm not telling what the business them, I'm telling them, nah, try, I didn't forget another job. You can come over here, please.
Really want to know what this about you put your hand on you, you know? I swear, I don't know. I didn't have to tell you you're pregnant, you know? Why you never tell me early on?
What?
Right now.